Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Plaid nail art design step by step guide. Plaid trends to come and go in style. But for now it's back and it's perfect for nail art. All it takes is a bunch of lines of different directions and dimensions to create Plaid. You can use any combinations of colors you love to create the look so it looks great with any outfit. Here's all inspiration you need. Have fun. Let's talk about the design of plates. This gorgeous plaid nail art design is a stable look. No matter what time of the year, it will always make a statement. Step number 1, how to start your design. Let's talk about step number 1. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a red nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and a dark red nail polish. Draw thick vertical lines on your nails. Step number 3, using a same tool and nail polish, create horizontal lines crossing over the previous lines. Step number 4, using a nail art brush and a black nail polish, where the lines overlap, fill in the area with black nail polish. Step number 5, finally apply a top coat to all your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go, your beautiful plaid nail art design is ready. If you have any query about this design, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching my video.